How much cash can you deposit into Monzo? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much cash you can deposit into Monzo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to give you a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a range of banking services, including a current account, a prepaid card, and a savings account. One of the things that makes Monzo unique is that you can deposit cash into your account using a cash point. How much cash can you deposit into Monzo? The maximum amount of cash that you can deposit into Monzo in one go is £2,000. However, you can make multiple deposits in a day, up to a total of £5,000. If you're depositing cash into your Monzo account for the first time, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a photo ID and a proof of address. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to deposit cash into your account without any restrictions. How to deposit cash into Monzo? There are two ways to deposit cash into your Monzo account. Using a cash point, you can find a cash point that supports Monzo by using the Monzo app. Once you've found a cash point, simply insert your Monzo card and follow the instructions on the screen. Over the counter, you can also deposit cash into your Monzo account at a post office. To do this, you'll need to provide your Monzo card and a proof of identity. You can also deposit cash into your Monzo account using a check. However, there is a limit of £1,000 per check. If you're depositing a large amount of cash, you may need to provide additional identification. Monzo does not charge any fees for depositing cash into your account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo, you can visit their website or download their app. You can also use Monzo to send and receive money to friends and family. You can also use Monzo to pay bills and make online purchases. Monzo offers a range of rewards and perks, such as cashback and travel insurance. What is the deposit limit on Wealthsimple Daily? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the deposit limit on Wealthsimple Daily. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the specifics of the deposit limit, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services. One of their most popular products is their tax-free savings account, TFSA. A TFSA is a type of investment account that allows you to grow your money tax-free. Now, back to the deposit limit. The daily deposit limit on Wealthsimple is $10,000. This means that you can deposit up to $10,000 into your Wealthsimple account each day. There are a few reasons why Wealthsimple has a daily deposit limit. One reason is to prevent fraud. By limiting the amount of money that can be deposited into an account each day, it makes it more difficult for someone to steal money from the account. Another reason for the daily deposit limit is to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. These regulations are designed to prevent money laundering, which is the illegal process of disguising the source of money. If you need to deposit more than $10,000 into your Wealthsimple account, you can do so by contacting their customer support team. They can help you set up a larger deposit limit. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions about Wealthsimple, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. You could mention that the daily deposit limit for Wealthsimple is subject to change. You could also mention that Wealthsimple may have different deposit limits for different types of accounts, such as corporate accounts. You could provide a link to Wealthsimple's website where users can find more information about their deposit limits. I hope this helps.